We are here in the Blue Lagoon, walking in. It's kind of busy. You can see there's a lot of campers around, probably a lot of tourists here renting a camper to go touring around Iceland. So this is a very popular place. At the Blue Lagoon. It's my favorite brother-in-laws.
Yeah.
And the birthday boy on the right.
Birthday boy.
Birthday boy.
56.
Wow, very nice. Wonder where the girls are at. They must still be inside.
Yeah.
Here at the Blue Lagoon, enjoying it. So I've seen this on YouTube a lot. And one thing that was surprising, one thing I didn't know about, is what the bottom would be like. I thought maybe you see all these rocks and stuff on the side. I was afraid that maybe the bottom was like all these rocks, but the bottom is actually concrete. It's like a swimming pool bottom. I guess there's clay somewhere around here where you can dig that up and paint it on your face. We'll see about doing that later. Oh, I found a bench. I found I guess a little rock to sit on here. Cool. But it's actually very shallow. So it only comes up to my waist here, but I'll spare you the view of my body. It's actually pretty shallow right here. I'm on my knees. Oh, they're here. The girls are here. Where are they coming? So they're way back there behind me, coming through underneath the bridge back there. I'm surprised we can't hear them. Yet. So there's Annalisa. Putting her hair up.
Hi.
Hello. Nice little cave. Oops. Sorry, slippery.
So recording for your back home?
Yeah. Trying to not get other people. There's a wall there. Ran into the wall. But it is very slippery. It's cool though, I like it.
Well, pride or death all over.
Yeah, it's not too deep, is it? It's a pretty comfortable depth, isn't it?
Yeah.
4 feet deep, maybe?
Well, I'm 5'1".
Yeah. Are you standing up all the way, Mom?
Yeah.
Are you? Okay.
I'm standing on my heels.
Okay.
My bottoms of my feet.
And they have a walk-up bar over there. Nice. Who's this? It's a monster. Ah!
Yeah.
It's the creature from the Blue Lagoon. There you go. There you go. How do I look?
Beautiful. There's their family there.
You don't want to look too pretty.
Good times.
Like it? You enjoy
Like
it?
it. Enjoying it.
Yeah, our
Water's
first
nice and
day.
warm. It's like-
First day in Iceland.
It's like first day in Iceland and
Yep.
enjoying it in Blue Lagoon. Getting the white scrub on there. Look at that. You look 10 years younger already. See, the sun's going down. Sun's getting low in the sky. Yeah, I think I got some in my eyes. I got some of the mud in my eyes, I think, when I was rinsing it off.
No, I think the water.
Is the water stings?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got some in my eyes too. I don't know if it's the mud or the water.
I'm gonna get the green one.
Just going for the green.
Yeah, let's go.
So we're having lots of fun here. Yeah. At the Blue Lagoon with my favorite brother-in-laws, right? And the birthday boy. He's turning 36.
36. Not 93.
Not 93. I don't know. Some combination like that. Probably looks pretty cool with all the steam coming off the water. I mean, the air is not really that cold. The air is maybe 50 degrees. And the water is maybe, I'm guessing, around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Water is actually very comfortable. It's not hot. It's comfortable. It's like very warm bath water. It feels really good on your body. Very relaxing. So it's a lot of fun. Good place to take pictures and selfies, especially if your sisters together.
Hey!
What do they have over there?
Drinks. We have
I know.
free drinks. I don't know what kind of drinks. You got wine, you got everything. Hi, baby. You still love me like this?
Yes. You know what I forgot to bring?
What?
I forgot to bring my hat.
Oh my god. Okay, take your photo.
I need my hat. Where's my hat? I like my hat. You like my hat?
Yeah, I paid for that, honey.
Well, thank you. I like my hat.
I paid for it.
Comment below if you like my hat. I forgot to bring it to Iceland.
It's a video.
Yeah, video and taking pictures too. Hello, guys. I got the cherry slush.
Toast. Cheers, Mom. Toast.
Cheers.
Toast.
Cheers, Mom.
Cheers.
Cheers to being in Iceland.
Happy New Year.
But it's not New Year's. Labor Day weekend. I told my boss we're going to Europe for the weekend. Go to Iceland. Cheers. Again. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. And now our Blue Lagoon adventure is coming to an end. I guess you get 2 hours to come play at the lagoon. And you get these fancy dancy wristbands to get you into the lockers, and you use those to buy drinks with too.